Kumari Ganesh. The writer of the book is Chandra Baneja ji. So this book is of 8th class. Now I do UPSC also of this book. So chapter name is Agriculture, chapter 4. See, this is chapter 4, Agriculture. There is too many things in this chapter, like what I understand. In you, I understand. I understand like.
I am Bhavesh. I am in 6th class. I read today 10th class book with the help of UPLC 3rd chapter, metal and non-metals. In this chapter, they tell about metals and non-metals. There are many types of metals and there are some types of non-metals. Some metals can be cut by knife. Some when we do 4 or 5 times hammer on some metals that come in plate type. Some metals when we heat them they come in long size, and there are many different types of metals with their different properties. Gold and silver are very good when we press for.
Good morning everyone, I am Diksha, student of class 7th. I read this book, Advanced Educational Psychology. In this book, I read the first chapter, what is the psychology. Psychology is a word, the meaning in Greek, the psycho meaning is soul, mind, behavior, and the logy means is study and science. The study of soul we do in psychology. Now, the first psychology is the chairman who first tell that our soul is made up of the soul atom and the body is made up of the body atom. This definition is not defined that this is the confirmed definition, and many psychologists discard this definition and later he do research. And what is science? Science is a systemized body.
I read the chapter of class 12th chemistry book, chapter polymer, so I am going to explain that chapter. First of all, what is polymer? Polymer is made up of a structural unit called monomer. Now, from where the word polymer came? Polymer is derived from the Greek word poly plus mer. Poly means many and mer means part or a unit, means many, part or unit. When many units are repeated, so they create a substance which is known as polymerization reaction. Now, another name of polymer is macromolecules. Polymers are made up of.
My name is Pranjal and I am a student of class 9. I study in international school, and I read this book as an assignment of UPSC Introductory Botany. And I read the chapter Cell as a structural functional unit of life by the help of UP part of pathology. And the topics are cell is a basic unit of life, and I understand the whole topic by the U part. First I read the topic, and then after that I converted it into my language. So cell, as we know that cell is a basic structure of life and it is present everywhere. And Theodor and Leo discovered the microscopic lens, and MJ studied and discovered that the plants are made up of a structural unit of.
Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya. I study class 10 and I have read the book. The name is OECD Environmental Indicator, and it is the graduation book, and I have read the chapter name is Climate Change. So in this chapter we have learned about how the CO2 means the carbon dioxide harming our nature. So this is done by that global warming and some vehicles by which we are getting the harmful gases, and refrigerators by which we are getting the methane bromide, which is harmful for our nature. And by this the climate change organisms like living organisms and
See, synthetic fiber are the fiber which are man-made. Okay, they are not taken from nature. See, second thing, plastic are light, strong and durable. It means plastic are light,
Or you can say human-made or man-made.
reactive. It means they does not react with water and air. Okay. Second thing, plastic are light, means they are lightweighted,
Synthetic fiber.
strong.
Synthetic fiber, another name is also artificial fiber.
Synthetic fiber are the fibers which are man-made, made by man,
Now, how are
and these are
synthetic
not
fibers
taken
made?
from nature.
Synthetic fibers are made
Second,
from polymers.
plastic are poor conductors. Okay, plastic are poor conductors. And synthetic fiber are the fiber which are made by man. They are not taken from nature. And third thing, we should not use plastic very much. We should use them as they are needed. Because I have seen that some students are just using plastic for
Many unit or parts. जब ये बहुत सारे units
so
और
now,
parts when they
first thing,
combine
there are 5
they
R's.
make up
R means recycle, reuse, reduce, and recover and reduce.
It is the first man-made fiber which was made in 1931. Its name is designed because N.Y. New York and L.O.N. Zindel. It is made without any natural raw material, not from plant or the animal. It is made from coal, air and water.
I have a question. What is petrochemical?
Petrochemicals are chemicals which are used to make synthetic fibers such as petroleum. Now there are many features such as it is waterproof, it is airproof, it is strong, it is elastic, and it is.
Why we need center work? To centralize a topic in whole in one subject of all topics. Now we are going to do center work of science chapter Air Around Us.
In my research there is Nottingham clouds. In there, that clouds are most higher clouds in the world. Like that is your Mount Everest. That clouds in there, and that's explain you my construction. In construction, we say there is a tree release oxygen, and oxygen goes to animal. It's a cow, and cow release carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide goes to tree, and it's a cycle to done. And we can see then our atmosphere, plant need oxygen with photosynthesis, and we can see it's social life, political life, and economical life. In social life, there we have to use public transport, because when we use cars, generally there 1 or 2 people go, so cars make more pollution than public transport. From this our atmosphere will pollute. From atmosphere pollute, our ozone layer depletion happen of air around us. The government is taking many steps to reduce the air pollution, and we also have to try. In my maths, in there you can see a windmill. In windmill, when there is air comes, so windmill rotates. So when that rotates fastly, so in there they make a one circle, and circle is a one pattern, and in there we can take their radius, and that's.
In PC language, our group points are: first